Welcome to the electromagnetic spectrum. It has gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet waves, visible light waves, infrared waves, microwaves, and radio waves. All these waves can travel through the vacuum of outer space, which means that you don't need a medium. The range of the spectrum is 2.4 times 10 to the 23rd to 1 kHz. Today we will be looking at infrared lights. Infrared lights lie between visible light waves and microwaves in the electromagnetic spectrum. Near infrared is closest to the visible light waves, while far infrared is closer to microwaves. Near infrared's wavelengths is from 0.7 to 5 microns. Mid-infrared's wavelengths is from 5 to 40 microns, and far infrared wavelengths goes from 25 to 350 microns, and their frequency ranges from 3.10 to the 11th to 4.10 to the 14th hertz. Heat gives off infrared waves, which means that naturally, fire is a huge producer of infrared waves, and also one of the most basic forms. Since heat produces infrared waves, the sun is clearly an abundant source of it, and because infrared waves don't need a medium to travel through, they can make it through the vacuum of space all the way to Earth. Infrared waves are used in high-tech and often expensive hair dryers. They are used as beauty products to heat the hair and dry it as quickly as possible so that you can get ready in the morning. Infrared waves are also used in hair straighteners to straighten hair using the heat it produces. They are also used in clothes irons to get wrinkles out in a similar fashion that hair straighteners do their job. Another highly used product that uses infrared waves is radiators. Radiators use infrared waves to heat indoor areas at cold times of the year. Satellites also use infrared waves to scan for anything that produces a heat pattern. We see this used daily on the Weather Channel to map out weather formations and stuff like that, and also in military and civilian uses to create thermal satellite imagery. Television remote controls also use infrared waves, but not like anything we've already seen. They don't transmit heat, they transmit signals to an infrared sensor, which is often how we use remotes all the way across the room. Unlike our eyes, cameras see infrared waves as if they were visible waves. So we use infrared waves to light up areas on cameras, often security cameras. Night vision goggles use infrared waves to light up the path ahead of their user. This is used in a similar fashion as the security cameras previously mentioned. This all comes back to heat and how it creates infrared waves, which we are able to see on different cameras, unlike our human eyes.